What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. XOXO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be washing my lace frontal wig, and we're gonna get all that got to be glued gel off the front of my lace so it'll be nice and clean and ready to adhere to my scalp once again. So I'm gonna start off with a sulfate free shampoo, and just gonna scrub it down and get all that old product and all that stuff out of my wig so it'll be nice and fresh again. Now I'm going through with a toothbrush that's specifically for my hair, and I am scrubbing out all of that got to be glued gel. You can do this for your got to be glued gel, or you can do this for a lace glue. And then that's all nice and clean once again, looking new. So now I'm rinsing. And now I'm going to go through with my conditioner. I am using Tresemme. And then while I have the conditioner in, I'm just finger detangling the hair. It didn't take much with this hair because it's a body wave texture. And then I am rinsing that out. I like to rinse with cold water on my weave hair because it gets the product out faster. And then I just pat it down dry and let it air dry overnight, as you see here, and then style as desired and you're good to go. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.